Hey guys, okay, so since we're still on this pandemic, I decided that I really wanted to grow some bonsai trees. So I purchased this from Amazon. Now, as you guys can see, this is from the Garden Republic. And I'll link this on the detailed descriptions. I think I paid about maybe $30. I'm not sure, but this comes with the seeds of 4 different bonsai trees. So this is a seed starter kit. So I just unboxed this, but I actually didn't even open this yet. So here is the bottom. So we have the Garden Republic, and let's see what's in it. Okay, so we have the bonsai seeds for a flame tree, the Colorado blue spruce, the black spruce, and this one's actually my favorite, the Brazilian rosewood. This is going to be really pretty. I like this because there's they included 4 different colored trees. So you have your lavender, purple, you have your red, you've got your blue, and then it says black spruce, but it's green. So here's our colors. Okay, so these are the seeds. Now this has the instruction booklet. Great, because I have no idea what I'm doing. This is, don't forget to register your kit. Okay, so we'll take a little look at that later. Now here we have, oh, this is to trim your tree. Okay, good. It seems to work well. Okay, I guess we're gonna save this for many months later. All right, what else do we have in here, guys? What else do we have? Let's see. Okay, so here are the pouches. Here's the pouches that you can put the soil in with the seeds. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is great. This is perfect. This is exactly what I need. This is actually the reason why I got this kit, because it comes with these in it. We also have the 4 signs that they included. So when you plant your seeds in the pouches, you're going to know exactly which trees you planted. Okay, so there's 4 here alongside with the bags. Then we've got the dirt, the soil. Okay, so these are hard. So I can't think, what I'm going to do now is I think I have to put these in water. So there's nothing else in the box except for, they just have like these silica gels here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put these in here and take this gel out. And let's see what happens. I'm going to put this in water now. Okay, so here I have 4 bowls. This one is going, the seeds are going to be the Brazilian rosewood. The yellow bowl is going to be the black spruce. The light purple bowl is going to be the Colorado blue spruce, and the red one here is going to be the flame tree. Okay, now I'm going to pop in the seeds and the water. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is hot water. So I'm going to keep these seeds in the water for about, I believe, 16 to 24 hours, and let's see if they germinate. So I'm going to just show you up close. Okay, it is hot water, not boiling, but hot water. Alright, so let's see what happens in the next couple of hours. Okay guys, so now what I did is I boiled some hot water, and I'm going to first put, I just filled up the water, the bowl just a little bit, and this isn't like hot boiling water, so just make sure, again, you do a little test. But it says in there it's supposed to be 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take 1 disc soil and put it in the pot. And it says now don't like oversaturate them because they could be moldy. They could soon turn to mold. So as you guys can see, if you guys look at the water, I'm going to start crumbling all these together. This is very soothing to actually do. So this is what I'm doing, and how you can actually like de-soil this. You just keep mixing it in the water, and just, you see like the water is coming out when I press it. So you could actually just start crumbling the soil just like this. Okay, so this is how I'm going to take the pot. This is how I'm going to break the discs up. So again, just go back in the water, and you're gonna see it start to crumble. So you gotta do it with your hands. Okay, it's not gonna just like automatically break by itself. Okay, so as you guys can see, in my bowl, what I did was, I mixed just 2 discs of the soil and warm water. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out 2 of the bags, and I'm going to start planting. I'm going to do the flame tree. I'm going to plant the flame tree first. Okay, so the Garden Republic, it has a little plastic bag in here. And again, from the instructions that they told you, you don't want to have a lot of water that's in the soil. So what I did was, again, I crumpled it up with my fingers. And now what I'm going to do is, if you guys can see, I'm actually, here, I'll show you. I'm actually going to go like this and take out the extra water. Okay, so I'm like literally draining it. And then how I'm going to put this in the bag is I'm going to just crumble it. Okay, so actually, let's do it with 2 hands. Okay, so you're just going to crumble them, and you're going to fill your bag. So again, this is making sure that your soil is moistured with water, but it's not like drained full of water. Okay, so here we go again. I'm going to squish it, take out that extra water. And I'm not going to pack it. I'm going to just let the crumbles fall in. Another one. Okay, so we have this amount. Okay. And again, make sure that's not like pressed firmly in your hand. Because guys, you know, you want to have that air in the soil for the seeds to grow. So here we're going to just fill it up a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to press it down just a little bit. So here we go. Press it down just a little bit. You guys can see how much is in there. Okay, again, another big handful. Drain the soil. Okay. Wow, I should have not did this at my dining room table because I am making such a mess. Oh well. Vacuum and everything comes out later. Okay, I'm going to do about 1 more handful. Okay. Okay, I'm going to press it down now. Not again like compact, but this is how I'm going to, this is how it looks. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flame tree seeds. Okay, there are, I have about 5 in here. Okay, so take them out, and I'm going to plant them. Put 1 in here. Okay, and again, you're going to put them apart, spread apart. so this is how it looks. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the remaining soil on top. A little bit more. Take the water out. Crumble it like it's Parmesan cheese. Take the stick out. Okay. All right, now I think we are done here. All right, now they're planted, and all we're going to do now is we're going to put the flame tree sign in right here, and then I'm going to put it in right here. I'm going to put it in the wooden, put it in here. Okay. All right, now on to my colored blue spruce. Okay, as you guys can see, this was only for 3 disc soils, so I used almost all of it, and I actually have 1 more disc soil needed. Okay, so I planted all the seeds, and as you guys can see, here they are. Okay, so we've got our Colorado blue spruce, our flame tree, our Brazilian rosewood, and our black spruce. Okay, and this is a little box, and so we put the 4 plants in here. Okay, I'm gonna just zoom out so you guys could see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I really like that it's cute that they sent these little signs, and it says that they were planted. I'm gonna put the date on them. Okay, so today was the 22nd. Okay, I actually put 5/19 for the Colorado blue spruce because this is when I put the seeds in for germination. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this by a window. It says that it's supposed to be indoors, and it's supposed to have sunlight for 6 to 8 hours. So I'm not going to put it outside, and I will check back on you in a couple of weeks, and I'll show you what has sprouted. Okay, Garden Republic, thank you so much for sending this. I cannot wait to see my trees blossom. I am such an avid lover of trees, so this was such a treat to do. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to that channel. Okay, and see how these babies are going to bloom. Bye, everyone.